Job of the day. We're back at the boat trailer that has the calipers that won't release. I'm going to change all 4 of these calipers, re-bleed our brakes, and make sure the brakes are operating properly. Getting the hydraulic lines off the calipers. Luckily these ones are coming off pretty easy. Just got some paint on them. Gears off. There's retainer off. Go. I got 4 new retainer clips as well. Alright, that's off, that's off. See if I can get to the caliper bolt. Not that way, not that way. Maybe ½ inch shorty. I got 1 caliper off. Grab the 2 left-handers. There's 1 left hand. And there's the other left hand. I think that's left hand. Yeah, it is. And I was able to get main mounting bolt off with this and then finish it off with a ratcheting wrench. There we go. Oh, sweet, came off. A little rusty. I got new mounting bolts too. Second caliper is coming off. Brakes are still good. Make sure I put it on the correct orientation. Good, brake pads are good. We're just changing out calipers. A little baggie. Bring some blue Loctite. Blue Loctite. Good, correct orientation. Slide it over. Capture the clips. Through the center and tighten. Come on. Just need you to thread in. Oh, good. Okay. It's threading in. Caliper is on. New retention clips to hold the caliper on. Front driver's side is on and installed. Let's do the rear. Whoa. Same thing as the other side. Get some blue Loctite on the mounting bolt. Correct orientation for the calipers. Yes. Install on retainers. Through bolt. It's threading in beautifully. I hope. Thought it was. Come on. There we go. ½ inch wrench. It is threading properly. And finish her off with impact. If I can get some. There we go. Nice and tight. New retainer clips. Golden. Caliper on this side is installed. Let's put the hydraulic line in. Make sure it starts threading properly and doesn't mess with the threads. Come on. Please. Just go in. Thank you. There we go. Started well. Alright, we're threading properly now. Hard to get in there. Tight. Hey, they're actually spinning now. Get the hydraulic line in for the driver's side front. Installed on this side. Calipers on driver's side are on and installed. Blue Loctited the main bolt that holds the caliper on. Brake pads are in the correct orientation. Make sure the front is in the correct orientation. It is perfect. I got the spring retention on there as well to hold the caliper and the brake pads together. Everything's free spinning. Obviously I need to bleed the brakes, so I'll bleed the brakes. But I'm gonna do the passenger side next. Driver's side done. Let's get the passenger side up. 1 tire off, 2 tires off. I got my dope and die in, everything's good. Let's grab tools and take these calipers off. Okay, I got spring retentioners off. Take the main, come on. I don't think that's gonna, the U-bolt's stopping me on this one. Let's see if I can get the ½ inch on there. Oh, wow, that was really easy. Expecting a fight out of that one, but I didn't get it. Main bolt is off, 3/8. Thank you. So far, I'm 3 for 3 on the 3/8 hydraulic lines. Let's keep it going. It's off, caliper is off, rusty on the inside of it. Let's do the front. Got it. That's where the 9/16 went. Running around the whole time looking for it. And can we go 4 for 4? Yes, we can. I love it. Line is off, dripping into the basin. Fully take off this caliper. Caliper is off. Let's go get 2 more calipers. Caliper looks good, inspected. I got blue Loctite on the main bolts. Brake pads are still good, so we're just putting the caliper on. Good. Main mounting through. Find the threads. There it is. On the threads, ½ inch. And we're cooking. Maybe. There we go. Good. Rear's on. Let's put the tension spring. I don't know what this thing's actually called, but I'll just call it a retention spring. Or a keeper spring. I don't freaking know. I know sometimes they're a pain in the ass to get in though. There you go. Good. On, calipers on. Brake pads are in the correct orientation. Next one. Good. Oh yeah, loads of it. Passenger side caliper in, but I'm threading. I think I just nailed it. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, right on the money. Come on, where is it? Tight. Tensioner. And let's get these hydraulic line, or the brake lines back on. Let's get the passenger side rear lines installed. Nice and easy. No stripping. There we go. Got it. In and tight. Perfect. Let's do the front. Go. Get in there. Spot on. Tight. Let's bleed these brakes. Bleeder bottle is installed on the furthest section of the bleeder valve. So I'm gonna fill up the front master cylinder and start pumping, get these brakes bled. All right, I got my reservoir on, which was just a Harbor Freight funnel with the bottom cut off of it. So it fits into UFP A60 master cylinders. And now we just pump. Looks like we got fluid coming out from the back. There we go. Help if it was open just a little bit more. Now we got fluid coming through. We're filling up the back. Let's see if there's any air coming out. Any air? No air on the rear. Let's do the front. Yeah, from doing bleeding last time, I think I had a stuck caliper. It was not pumping like it's pumping right now. Full, absolutely amazing. Tighten her down, pull it, let it drain in. Put the little perfect. Feels so much better than it did last time I tried to clear the lines. Yeah, letting it spin. And then once it goes back and forth, oh, nothing's leaking. We are good. Back on, let's go to the other side. Oh, I'm so stoked. I'm happy that was it. Last time I pumped it, this one it didn't want the fluid to go through freely. And I think the caliper had a bunch of stuff inside of it, or rusted inside of it. But now it's working great. Passenger side is done and bled. No air in the lines. Now I'm gonna do driver side rear. Looks like it is filling and pumping. Let's go check for air. Looks like we got some air coming out still. So let's hit it just a little more. It's because this is open more than it should be. Open. Pump a little more. No air in the lines on the rear. I opened up the front driver side. Now I'm gonna bleed that. And driver side front fully bled out. Everything went really smooth on this. So I'm gonna pump a couple times, make sure there's good pressure in the system. But it's free spinning way better already. All right, system is closed. See if we got good back pressure. Oh, we do. Yeah, strong back push. Absolutely perfect. Let's check for leaks, make sure nothing's leaking. Front passenger is good, not leaking. Rear passenger is good, not leaking. Rear driver is good, not leaking. And lastly, front driver is good and not leaking. And we got free spinning on brakes. Free spinning on brakes. Yeah, that was the issue, it was calipers. She's golden now. Looks like I broke her UFP cover, so she gets a new one. I broke the tab off, taking it off. Good, locked in. Let's clean up. Let's get these tires on. Passenger side rear is on. Passenger side front is on. Driver side rear is on. Driver side front is on. Let's drop this down, torque lug nuts. Driver side on the ground, blocks are out. Passenger side on the ground. And passenger side coming down. Passenger side's on the ground. Got it. I'm checking lights. She said she had some diodes out on her left turn, which she does. That one's good right here, that one's good. So I'm gonna change this one out. She brought me a 6-way, or a 6-inch LED. I'm gonna install that. And new light works, all diodes are lighting up. And I got good left turns. Check marker lights, driver side front, driver side rear. Rear lights are on and working, good. Three-way light bar is on and working. Right turn is on and working. Back to markers. Good passenger side, good passenger side front. And I think that's all the lights she has. Perfect, all lights work. And lastly, torque and lug nuts. Driver side front done, driver side rear done, passenger side rear done, and passenger side front done. All lug nuts are torqued. I did the rundown on this. 4 new calipers. I put 2 driver side, 2 passenger side. All lines are bled. Everything works great now. All her lights work. She did want me to order her a jack, so I'm gonna look up and order a jack for her. She wants a heavier duty one, but everything's done. I put, like I said, 4 calipers and then new mounting bolts and new retainer clips for the back. But she's good to go, and the brakes are not locking up anymore. I'm on to the next.